In this video, we will discuss about model binder in ASP.NET Core. Model binder maps the data in HTTP request to controller action method parameters. Action parameters may be simple types such as integer, strings, or complex types like customer, employee, order, etc. Binding of incoming data and action parameters is possible because of this model binder. Without this model binder, we have to write a lot of custom code to map request data to action method parameters. In ASP.NET Core Web API, we generally bind the data by using parameters and properties. For example, let's say we are getting a data from HTTP request. Now, in between the data and the properties and parameters, there is a concept of model binder. Model binder will take the HTTP data as an input, and if it finds the exact match of properties and parameters in ASP.NET Core, then it will bind the data. The mapping of incoming data to the properties and parameters is possible by model binder. In ASP.NET Core, there are lots of built-in methods and attributes for model binder. We can also create custom model binder to bind the incoming data to the parameters. Thanks for watching this video.